may I appeal to him na kung ako po sa kanya, may I appeal to him that he should service, he must service, and submit himself to the authorities. Mag-surrender na siya. Nakiusap po namin sa kanya. Otherwise, manhunt operations are being conducted, will continue until the warrant of arrest is what has been implemented. Bakit siya nagtatago? Akala ko ba hindi siya magre-resist? Akala ko ba haharapin niya itong kaso na ito? Nung una sabi niya hindi siya aalis. But 1 or 2 days later, nagtangkang umalis. No, we're not fools. So, yung sinasabi niyang bawal na ba sa kanila, bawal na bang magbakasyon, he's invoking also right to travel. Pero tingnan niyo naman yung surrounding circumstances. Tingnan niyo naman kung may good faith dyan. And then, bakit sa Denia Clark? And why does he have to live or attempt to live at the time na alam niyang naka-file na yung information in court? Di ba napakalinaw nun? Hindi naman ata tayo tanga.